Hi, I'm Chris Zinn, owner and publisher of TheHomeMag. TheHomeMag is a home improvement resource for homeowners just like you. We work hard at promoting the best contractors in the metro. When it comes to garage door repair companies in this market, it's important to work with someone you have confidence in. In many cases, we have direct knowledge of each company, especially those listed on our best of list, which we update frequently. When selecting our garage door repair companies, we like to use something called EEAT, experience, expertise, authority, and trust. In other words, we look for companies that have a history of providing quality home services combined with great customer service. You can see our list also includes verified and unverified garage door repair companies. When possible, we try to verify companies that are licensed and insured. All of the companies we promote tend to have a strong web presence and social proof in the form of good reviews across social media websites and other trusted review sites. Keep in mind that the companies and contractors you'll find on our platforms are established companies, but should not substitute your own due diligence. Hopefully this list of garage door repair companies will give you a nice starting point in terms of finding the right, trustworthy, and proven contractor for your project.